Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to do some quotient rule problems. We've got two more I want to work on. So just remember it's just math, y'all, and here we go. We are going to do the derivative of this quotient here. We do have radicals. Again, this one seems to be the one that's giving my students the most difficulty, so that's why you keep seeing these. Um, I have another radical problem we're going to do in a minute. So let's jump right in. The quotient rule in just math, y'all language is low-D high minus high-D low over low-low. And hopefully that low times derivative of the high minus the high times the derivative of the low over low-low or low squared. So however you want to look at it. Low-D high minus high-D low over low-low. All right, so let's get started. Hopefully we won't need much scratch work, but let's get it ready in case we do. And I really like the purple, so I'm going to go back to my purple. Here we go. All right, so for this first function, not this first function, we're going to do the derivative. So we're going to do the denominator times the derivative of the numerator. So again, one more time for those that didn't see it the first time. The derivative of the square root of x plus 3, well, the square root of a constant is 0, so I don't have to worry about that. And then the square root of x, well, the square root of x is x to the 1/2. And using our power rule, we put the 1/2 in front, and then we subtract 1. So we have to do the 1/2 minus 1, which is a negative 1/2. Okay? All right? And then, so that's 1/2. X to the negative 1/2 would be 1 over x to the positive 1/2. And so that's 1 over the square root of x times 1/2. So the derivative of the square root of x is 1 over 2 square roots of x. There we go. So that's just the derivative of the square root of x. So anyway, back to the low-D high. So this is the low, this is the denominator, and this is the high. So the low times the derivative of the high would be what I have here, and then this would be 1 over 2 square root of x minus the high times the derivative of the low. Well, the derivative of the low is the same as the derivative of the high because the constant, so we're looking at 1 over 2 square roots of x. Okay. And this is all over low, or the square root of x plus 7 squared. All right, once again, we're going to use the common denominator idea here. We're going to go ahead and multiply this out and then combine these two. You can just basically write the numerator. Go. So this is one big fraction because it's multiplied. And this is one big fraction because it's multiplied. They have a common denominator. So really I just need to subtract my numerator. So I have the square root of x plus 7 minus the square root of x minus 3. Okay, those are going to cancel each other out, and so then I have 4 over 2 square roots of x, which is going to reduce to 2 over the square roots of x, and that's my numerator. So that's 2 over the square root of x over my denominator. Make sure that y'all get all that. Some of y'all are really upset because I didn't write my denominator over here. You left that denominator out. That's not mathematically sound. It's okay. Putting it back right now. Back. so now we've got to simplify this complex fraction. And if you saw that video that I did, the previous video, then you know all I need to do is just take that and move it to the denominator. And that will give me my final answer. I have 2 over the square root of x times the square root of x plus 7 squared. And that's that problem right there. Okay, let's see. I hopefully got time for one more. I hope I didn't take too long on that one. Hope I don't take too long on this one. This is a little trickier. Got some extra fancy foil going on. So you know what? Copy this problem down and join me on the next video. And we'll see if we got this one on the next one. It's just math, y'all. You can do it.